Welcome to a world of culinary creativity with the Dash Mini Maker for individual waffles. This isn't just about waffles, oh no. Imagine invigorating your breakfast classics or venturing into waffled hash browns, cookies, even biscuit pizzas. Any batter transforms into single-serving portions, perfect for families or meals on the move. Size matters not, for this mini is mighty. With a 4-inch non-stick cooking surface, it's an essential for the first apartment, the smaller kitchen, the college dorm, or the camper RV. Its compact size allows for easy storage in any kitchen cabinet or drawer. Operating it is waffly easy. Simply plug it in and wait for it to heat up in mere minutes. Dual non-stick surfaces ensure an even cook for consistent results and delicious golden waffles every time. And when you're done, cleanup is a snap thanks to the non-stick surfaces. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker package includes one mini waffle maker and a recipe guide to kickstart your cooking journey. So step into the realm of possibilities with the Dash Mini Maker, where every meal is a masterpiece waiting to happen.